What we have here is the new UltraView line of displays from Class 1, and we have a UV750 and a UV450 here. The UV750 is actually our 7-inch display, and the 450 is our 4.3-inch display. These displays are actually extremely sunlight visible due to the bonding process that we go through in the manufacturing process. They're fully customizable, fully S-key compatible, and they work with all the other Class 1 components. We can actually tie these into instrument panel screens for engine, transmission, and those things. We can tie them into ladder screens for custom aerial applications. We can tie in a pump panel screen. You can see that we can put out warnings for things that get out of parameters there. And we can also run door jar and diagnostic screens. Okay. The really neat thing about the two displays here is that it's the same programming software that does each display. So what we're able to do here is actually write a program for one display and port it over to the other. So if you wanted to put one of these in the front of the truck and one of these somewhere else, like in the back of an ambulance, a smaller display, you don't have to rewrite the program for that. So what I'd like to show you here is some of the features that we've actually set up in programming to work with our S-key system. You can notice that we have a door jar screen set up here, and you can actually see the doors open and close. And then also we've done an overhead version of that where you can actually watch the doors open and close from the overhead view. The neat thing about this is we can actually integrate the seat belt position into this for different seating arrangements. So if you have in the back of an ambulance here, if you may have an attendant seat, a CPR seat, and a couple of seats in a squad bench over here, we can actually place the seat belt icons where they go. We also have some common switch screens for warning lights and things. Pump panel screen that we have here that you can monitor the pump panel from here. We actually have video inputs for backup cameras, left and right cameras, patient compartment cameras, whatever you want. And then one of my favorite features is actually the diagnostic screen. If you can look, you'll notice that I can lay these modules into a ghost image of the truck, and you can actually see where the modules are online and offline. So if one of those modules were to go offline, you would actually see it go offline, and that helps you pinpoint the actual location of the trouble. Another neat part to this display is we actually have a day mode and a night mode, and if you can recall what the instrument panel screen looked like during the day mode, and now you look at it in the night mode, we've actually changed all the dial face colors, and we've dimmed the panel down a little bit so it's not as offensive at night, and we've also changed some of the warning protocols in there. I'll go back to the day mode so you can see the difference. So that's the same panel, same exact screen, just changed colors and the contrast.